Understanding, prepare for landing, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've likely heard if you've traveled by air. Prepare for landing. It's a common instruction given on flights, but what does it really mean? Let's explore its meaning, usage, and context to help you understand and use it confidently in English conversations. Prepare for landing is a standard announcement made on an aircraft as it begins its descent towards an airport. This phrase signals that the plane is approaching its destination and will soon land. It's a cue for passengers and crew members to ensure everything is secured, seat belts are fastened, seats are in the upright position, and all carry-on luggage is properly stowed away. It's about ensuring safety and readiness as the flight concludes. This instruction is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances safety by ensuring passengers are seated and buckled up to prevent injuries during the landing process, which can sometimes be bumpy. Secondly, it helps the cabin crew to secure the cabin, making sure that loose items are safely stowed, reducing the risk of accidents. Lastly, it prepares passengers mentally for the transition from the flight to disembarking at their destination. When you hear, prepare for landing, you should fasten your seatbelt if it isn't already. Bring your seat back and tray table to their upright and locked positions. Stow your carry-on items in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. Turn off electronic devices or set them to airplane mode, if required by the airline. Pay attention to any additional instructions from the flight crew. In different languages and cultures, the phrase, prepare for landing, might be announced differently, but the essence remains the same. It's a universal procedure in aviation, emphasizing the importance of safety and order during the critical phase of a flight. Understanding this phrase enhances your English comprehension and helps you navigate international travel more smoothly. We hope this video has helped clarify what prepare for landing means and why it's important. Remember, it's all about safety, readiness, and ensuring a smooth transition as you arrive at your destination. Safe travels, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more useful English phrases and their contexts.